Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a brand new subscription box to my channel and it's been one of the most requested subscription boxes that you lot have asked me to unbox, and it's Pretty Obsessed. This is what the box looks like. It's the December box. So as always, if you're new to Pretty Obsessed and you're interested in learning a little bit more about it, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in my December box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. All information related to this box I'll pop down in my description, so underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up description and all links and refer a friend codes and discount codes and anything I can find, I'll pop down there, so you're welcome to take a look. So Pretty Obsessed is a beauty subscription box. It's only available within mainland UK. They offer two different subscription boxes. The first one is called the Premium Beauty Box, and inside contains 5 full-size beauty products and will cost you £14.99 and then £3.99 postage and packaging on top. Then the other subscription box is their Luxury Beauty Box, which is what I've got, and inside contains 10 full-size items, and that will cost you £24.99 and £3 postage and packaging on top as well. So the type of items that you'll receive in the boxes range from skincare, makeup, nails, perfume, fake tan, and loads more. What you will see me receiving in my boxes, because I am going to have this subscription running for the next couple of months, what you see might not be the same as yours. So if you decide, I really fancy taking out a subscription, you might get different items. Now they say on the website that might be due because they bulk buy a lot of their products, and it might mean that some of the products, you know, they run out, so then they substitute it. So that's worth knowing. When you sign up to the subscription, you get to fill in a little questionnaire. So they ask questions like, what are your skin concerns? What is your skin tone? What is your hair colour? And what colour are your eyebrows? So that they can make this box a little bit more personalised to you. Now obviously we're coming to the end of December, so you won't be able to get this box, but if you're interested in getting the January box for yourself, you have until the 19th of the month to get it. Please let me know if you've subscribed to this box, and please let me know what previous boxes have been like. So yeah, so let's get on to unboxing it. The box design is gorgeous. I really like it. So I've got some cola bottles there, some little sweets. Then I've got a leaflet on here and it says, welcome to your monthly treat. And then it just goes on to saying, don't forget to take photos and put it on their social media. And it's because it's a Christmas box, there's a Christmas message. It says, we want to thank each and every one of you for your support. It really does mean so much. We are so excited for 2020 and what we have in store for you all. We wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. There's something here as well, which I would have said if I hadn't have read this, but it says here, product information. We have been asked a lot about adding information about the products on our leaflets or on the website. Please bear with us. This is to come in the near future. I think that is really valuable, really good. Even if it's just a little bit of information and a price as well, just so that we can see, you know, what we're getting, whether we're getting value for money and things like that. Now I have had a sneak peek, but I haven't actually opened things properly. I couldn't wait because I did have this just before Christmas, so I'm just filming it now just because I wanted a bit of a break. So the first item is a palette, which I haven't opened, so I'll just put that under there, and these are the other items in the box. You see that? So the first item then is a 35 colour eyeshadow and glitter palette, and it says Pretty Obsessed, so it's their own eyeshadow palette. So I'll just take that off. Now as far as I'm aware, there's no information to say whether it's cruelty free and vegan. There's no information on the back there. Oh my word, that is pretty. Just take that off. That is super pretty. Look at those colours, look at those pressed glitters. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Let's try these glitters on my hand. Whoa, got to be really careful. I went a bit heavy-handed in there and it's just squished it a bit. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that orange. That is absolutely stunning, isn't it? Oh wow. Wow. There's some gorgeous shades in there. Really lovely. So no, I'm really chuffed with that. Pity there's not much information about it, or if you can buy it. I don't know. I don't think they've got an online store on their website. I will have another look, but I'm sure when I was like looking up getting information for you all, I didn't see it. So yeah. So no. So that's the first item in the box. So the next is a product by Bio Bombshell, and it's Sugar Brown and it's a lip liner. I've never heard of this brand before. Okay. Use your teeth. Is it a lip liner or an eyeliner? No, it's a lip liner. That's what it looks like there. It's not too bad. I thought it was going to be darker. Can you see there? I thought it was going to be darker, but it's not. It's a warm brown. I'll have to see how that blends on my lips. That is a nice colour. It's not as dark as I thought it would be, which is good. I just don't like dark browns. They just really don't suit me. So yeah, initially when I saw that, I was thinking, uh-oh. But I would love that if that was an eyeliner. I would love that shade. I will give it a go though and see what it is like. Maybe if I blend it in with a nude lipstick, see how it blends in. So that's the second product in the box. Next we got a product by MUA, and it's the Luxe, and it's a lip whipped velvet lip gloss, or a lip cream. There, you can see it better that way. Gorgeous colour from looking at it this way. Wow, 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 wow. Can you see? That is gorgeous. It is a really pretty colour. Really pretty colour. It is more like a lip stain, lip tint, lip gloss. It's definitely a shade I go for. It's a shade I wear. So there's that. Next we've got a nail polish, and this is by Sally Hansen, and this is Insta Dry Nail Colour, and it's in shade Watermelon Whiz. That's a gorgeous shade, isn't it? Really, really pretty. Ooh, a vibrant pink. I've got gels on at the moment, so I can't show you. But yeah, definitely a colour I'd wear more in the summer, and maybe on my toes as well. So no, I'm quite chuffed with that. So there's that. Next is a product by Hikari, and this is in shade Splendor, and it's a shimmer bronzer. That's what it looks like there. I remember receiving Hikari, and this says cruelty free on the back here as well. I remember receiving Hikari in, is it a glossy box? I'm not too sure. About a year or two ago, and I'm sure I had this. I'm sure I did. I can't open it. It's a shimmer bronzer, which is the shades I go for, definitely, but not for a bronzer. Can you imagine swirling my big brush? Woo! Massive orange cheeks. No, it's a little bit too out there for me. If I had a little brush and went for these individually, this one is too bright. I think, you know, with orange hair and the orange lipstick and stuff, with an orange face, it's just a bit of an orange overload. But I think that one, no, I wouldn't use. More for like an eyeshadow or something, yeah. But this one I'd use like as a highlighting blush, and these as well. Just a tiny bit on the tops of my like cheekbones. For me, that is more like a blush, a shimmery blush quad, not a shimmery bronzer quad. That is quite full on, isn't it? So no, so I'm not sure whether I would actually keep that or not, because I'm not sure if I would wear it. I'm sure it's the same one I had years ago. Sure it is. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Josh Cosmetics, and this is a pressed highlighter, and this is in shade Tinkerfell, and it says here cruelty free as well on the back there. The only thing with these pressed ones is that I never have a palette to put them in, because then I haven't got a palette to put them in. I don't use them. They're in my like makeup shelves, drawers or whatever around me, but I never go to use them because they're not easily accessible, which is a shame, because you know, I've had a few in the past. So this is, I'd say, iridescent. So I am nervous of iridescent. I'd say I'm nervous. I don't like iridescent. I don't like iridescent makeup. Don't mind on my lids, on my actually eyelids, but on my face, I don't like it. It's just because I am aging. Aging slowly. And I don't want anything to highlight any of my like fine lines that I have around there. And I find that, yeah, iridescent highlighters, they can do that. I tend to go for very, very subtle fine powders for highlight, and yeah, this sort of pearly shade, iridescent shade, I don't normally use. It is so pretty though. It is really pretty. So super shimmery and shiny. It is stunning. Actually, I might just use that for eyeshadow. It is gorgeous, really pretty. You can see pinks, and also you can see like coral colours as well. It is lovely. It is really nice, but it's just a bit too woo for me to put on my face. I prefer to have quite natural looking face makeup, but then like funky eye makeup or lips or whatever. But yeah, that's just a little bit too much for my face, but I'm going to give it a go, see what it's like, and then I'm going to try it on my eyes then as well. Next we got a product by South Main, and this is Under Eye Gels. It improves skin elasticity, reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and reduces fine lines. So there's just one set of under eye gels in there. Apply under eyes and leave for 30 minutes to see reduction of dark circles and fine lines and improve skin elasticity. Exactly what I read in the front. And this says cruelty free as well. Next I got another lipstick, and this is by Phase Zero, and this is a liquid lipstick. Sorry, I didn't show you properly what the outer packaging looks like. Phase Zero was a brand that I had in a subscription box. I can't remember. Is it Love Me Beauty? I think that's what it was. About 2 years ago, maybe? Love Me Beauty changed their subscription, and it was similar to Latest in Beauty, where you get to choose your products, from what I remember anyway. God, it's a long time ago now. But they changed it to something similar to Beauty Pie, where they bring in their own makeup range, and you get to choose what you want from this makeup range. So I did it for 1 or 2 months, and then I gave up then. In all honesty, I didn't like the shadows. I remember now. Didn't like the shadows. They were useless. I didn't like them at all. I just thought they were awful. But the lipsticks I really liked, and there was one gingerbread one which is gorgeous. So what is this one? This is a chai latte liquid lipstick. I found it a bit funny that I was given a brown lip liner but then a bright orange sort of lip stain gloss. Don't really mix, but obviously this. We'll go with a lip liner. You see there? So it's a gorgeous moussey sort of formula. They are lovely, lovely lipsticks, but I'm not too sure if this is a shade for me. There's a certain type of nudie neutral sort of lipsticks, brownie shades, that just make my teeth look super yellow. And I think that is the tone to make them yellow. Oh, which is a shame, which is a shame. I'll try it. I will try it and I'll see. As far as the lipstick goes, the brand and everything and the formula, I think they're really lovely. I'll just see what it's like actually on my lips. Next, I got a Hikari, and it's a coconut eyeliner. Coconut eyeliner. Could this be white? So let's see what colour. It's white. It's a white eyeliner. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. It looks a really nice one as well. As in, it's nice and small. Yeah, no, it's lovely. The one I'm currently using is a L'Oreal one, and it's a Paradise one, and it's big. It is massive, so I have to be really careful how I apply it. But no, I love that one. You probably can't tell. But I use it just to brighten up my inner rims. So no, really chuffed to that. So there's that. And lastly, I've got an eyeshadow, and this is BA Bombshell. It's metallic pigment, and it's in shade Solstice. I can't say it there. There, I'll just take the wrapping off to show you properly. Oh, I love that. That is really nice. That is really, I've just put it on top of my white eyeliner. But it doesn't matter. That is gorgeous. It's like a khaki brown shimmery gold eyeshadow. That is really pretty. Really, really pretty. Nope, that's not moving now. Can't budge. So that's the last of the items. So I'm just going to go through them one by one, showing you what I received in December's Pretty Obsessed Luxury Beauty Box. So I got a Pretty Obsessed eyeshadow palette. Got a Hikari Shimmer Bronzer. Got a Josh Cosmetics Pressed Highlighter. Got South Main eye gels, Hikari eyeliner in white, got a Phase Zero lipstick in shade Chai Latte, got a Sally Hansen Insta Dry nail polish, MUA Luxe Whipped Velvet lip gloss, got a Bia Bombshell lip liner in soft brown. And finally, I got a Bia Bombshell, a metallic pigment in shade Solstice. So my thoughts on the very first Pretty Obsessed box I've received is that there's a lot of items in there, as I knew there would be. I think the standout item for me is the palette. I want to learn a little bit more about it. I want to see what it's like. The colours were quite pigmented. They look stunning. So yeah, I'm really excited to give that a go. There's some lovely products in there, but there's also some products that are not really suitable for me. I don't know, it just doesn't feel like the box gels well together, if you know what I mean. It's not a bad box by no means. We've got a bit of everything in there. It just feels like it doesn't fit well. For instance, I got that iridescent pinky sort of highlighter, but then I've also got that really vibrant Hikari shimmery bronzer as well, and yeah, they just don't seem to match very well. It cost me just under £29, so it's one of the most expensive subscription boxes that I receive. Is it worth it? I don't know yet. I don't know. This is my very first box. I am going to keep it running for the next couple of months, just so that I can get a really good feel for the box and to show you as well. So bottom line, it's an okay box. It's not a wow box. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe? What do you think of it? And yeah, all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and look out for my next one, which will obviously be my January box, which I'll receive towards the end of the month. And yeah, if you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.